And now we're going to work on our strawberry mozzarella sauce. Just going to add about a cup and a half full of mayonnaise. Actually, go ahead and put 2 cups in there. It all depends on how big your salad's going to be. Just going to add some whole strawberries, about 5 or 6. That'll work fine. You can use frozen if you want to, but fresh is always the best. Add a little salt and pepper in there to taste, and a little bit of garlic. You don't have to use as much garlic as I do, but I really like my garlic. Now we're going to add some extra virgin olive oil once we get that going. And you're going to add it depending on how creamy you want it. So when you stop, you want to check that out. Put a little bit more. And if you also, at this point, you can taste it just to make sure that's what you want. Now put it in your refrigerator, and there you go.